Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 6 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch, so tap on the icon to open the application. Once the application opens, tap on the device icon to open the device page, and here you should see your Bip 6 watch. Now scroll down, tap on Unpair button. Here you can select a type of data that you want to keep even though you unpair your watch. And as you can see, we can select local music, maps, App Store apps, watch faces, and workout history. Basically, if you select one of them, check boxes next to them, or you can select all of them, one, more, any type you want, or maybe not any, but any from this list. And if you tap on Unpair, it will reset the watch, because the watch will reset when you unpair it, but it will keep the data anyway. So if you pair it again, it will have that data on it. I'm gonna uncheck it because I don't care about the data. Come on. And then tap on Unpair. Tap on Unpair again. And the watch will disappear from the device page and it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And we need to wait until the logo pops up on the screen, right here. And this process will take a few seconds. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.